My name is Amanda Strickler, and this is my Module 7 from AEP 855, the Human Resource Frame. After watching the video from Bowman and Deal, the takeaway that I came up with was kind of from the Fast and Furious series model that family is everything. I thought that's what they were trying to say as well. So that we need relationships, needs, and skills. Communication is key, and people and organizations need each other, especially throughout the school system. So that was my key takeaways from the video. My hierarchical structure, obviously, is building principle. I put it up top. I put teachers and students together because I do believe it's my responsibility as a principal to build those relationships with teachers and students. And teachers are the ones teaching students, so you really need to have them on board with your philosophy and your structure. And then obviously, students are the main purpose of education. So I kind of put them together. And I also feel like the principal and teachers need to be a team so that students can't try to play one against the other. The next tier that I have has maintenance, custodians, office staff, and paras. One of the best advice that my parents ever gave me was if there's one person that needs to like you in that building, it needs to be your custodians and maintenance people. And I truly believe that. They help run the school more than people give them credit for, as well as office staff and paras. We are definitely in an older building, so maintenance is very key, and I want to have a good relationship with them and the custodians through my position as a teacher. The custodians are always helping me, opening doors after hours, setting up for events, things like that. Office staff sometimes does the dirty work, and then pairs obviously help support teachers and can be on the same page there. Then my next tier, I had cooks, parents, community, and alumni. I kind of put them all on the same tier because I don't really want to separate them because parents and community alumni cooks are all still very well a part of the school. We need them to function and run. But I just believe everybody has an important role, yes, but like in my order, I just felt like the people I put above them should be there because the focus is more on those. Yes, we need parents and community and alumni as well as our cooks. But that's kind of how I structured my hierarchical system. And then I also kind of color coded it from, well, obviously in the tiers, but then in the form of left to right, kind of how I ranked them in that order on that tier. So, I thank you for a good class.